How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the direct message option not showing on your TikTok. So first thing first, simply head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside your TikTok application, simply head over to your profile and just head over to this hamburger icon and click on settings at the bottom. And once you're inside here, simply click on this privacy option. And if you are not seeing this direct message, in my case it's showing, but if you are not seeing this direct message, then what you can do is just head over to your Play Store and make sure your TikTok application is up to date. So simply search in for TikTok and make sure it's updated. As you can see, it's updated. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is you might as well reinstall it and once again install the application. If it is still not fixing the error, then the error might be related to your age. So how you can check that is simply head back to your TikTok, and once you're inside your TikTok, just click on this hamburger icon and click on settings, and from over here scroll all the way down until you see the report a problem option. So once you click on it, simply click on this interaction option, and from over here you can see direct messages. So simply click on it and you can see the option direct messaging is no longer available. Simply click on the first option, and once you click on it, just read the message. As you can see that only users aged 16 and over will be able to send and receive direct message. So that might be the case, so make sure you have your age verified, which should be over than 16. So just click on no from over here and just click on this need more help, and from over here what you can do is simply type in your issue. Just click on this, type in the following keyword just like this as I have shown you on the screen, and simply send it. And once you do that, your TikTok team will contact you in probably like 24 hours or so. So that is it for today guys. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.